Looking for the perfect gamepads and standard controllers? Here's what you need to know. The Razer Tartarus V2 gaming is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants high-performance mecha-membrane switches. Provides the tactile feedback of mechanical key press on a comfortable, soft-cushioned, membrane, rubber dome switch suitable for gaming. Designed to help you 32 mecha-membrane keys for more hotkeys and actions. Perfect for gaming or integrating into creative workflows with fully programmable keys. Great choice if you need thumbpad for improved movement controls. The 8-way directional thumbpad allows for more natural controls for console-oriented players and a more ergonomic experience. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.